Hello everyone. This demo is to show you self-service approach in an internal developer platform using Backstage and Azure. So basically the idea here is using the Backstage to create an infrastructure inside Azure to allow the developers create the resources by themselves. So I'm using here the Canary. The Canary is an open source project that's provide an entire internal developer platform. So when you run the IDP Builder CLI, you can automatically create it and configure the Kubernetes cluster, an Argo CD, a Backstage, a Keycloak, external secret, Git, local Git repositories, and so on. So this is a really good tool. So for that, I've created this custom template for the Backstage. So it's a template to create infrastructure on Azure. Um, so basically, this template will ask for some information, and after that, we'll create a manifest inside the Git, the Git repository, and it will connect it to the Argo CD to Argo CD manage the infrastructure in a GitOps way. So to do that, we are using this Azure Service Operator V2. That's the operator created by Microsoft. That's exactly for that, to enable us to manage infrastructure using APIs inside Kubernetes. So it will allow us, in our case, to manage the resources in a GitOps way. So let's go to the demo. Here, I have this new custom template. So I will just type the name of blob storage that I want. So my new task 2. And I have some information here just for FinOps propose, just for create tags into the resources on Azure. So let's create. So in this moment, the Backstage is creating a new repo on my local Git and pushing the configuration to dev, and then creating an Argo CD app to manage this infrastructure resources. So let's go to the Git. So this is the new repo that it was created. I just have here some information for the Backstage to create the catalog. And the manifest here is this YAML to create the resource group using the Azure Service Operator that I mentioned with the fields that I've inserted and the tags as well. So now, let me see. Okay, it's finished. Now I have a new component here on Backstage, and on Argo CD was supposed to be created my new test too. Okay, so it was created a few seconds ago, and status is synced and health. So if I run the kubectl get resource group, so now I have a new object here inside Kubernetes that the operator is managing, and the status is success and ready through. So let's check on Azure side. So my new, okay, this is the resource. And if I check the tags, it's already bringing the tags that I inserted on the Backstage portal. Okay, so if I decided to delete this application on Argo CD, so now I'm deleting the resource, and let's check the status again. Okay, the resource is already deleted, and let's check on Azure. Okay, the resource is gone, so it's now deleted as well. So that's it. Thank you.